Hey, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. And here we are. We're riding out to, where the hell are we going? Sulphur Springs. Anyway, somewhere on the West Coast. We got Brian there, brand new Harley. Get you a good view. Oh, I see that. Yeah, it's uneven. Oh. It's a good thing you mentioned that because I wasn't paying attention. All right. Well, anyway, I got brand new Brian on this Harley over here. Try to get a close up. Yeah, I know. Don't worry. I got it. I got you covered. There you go. We got brand new Harley Brian on here. And I better get over this lane here. Whoa! Oh yeah, it is like jumping a wake on the Wave Runner. Anyway, you're gonna stop now, so I'll get a close-up of your brakes. There you go. There's the lights. The new lights that Brian installed on his bike. And they're very cool, they're very bright. Alright, hit the brake again, Brian, so people can see your brakes. Okay. Nice. Alright, guys. Well, we're on our way to the West Coast. I'm not sure where, but we're going to be riding all over the damn place today. So, yeah, they look good, Brian. Very good. Yeah, oh yeah. Alright, that was perfect.